Hello, magandang umaga Pinas, magandang gabi US. Finally, I got my order. Okay, continue natin buksan. Okay, here we go. Nakaserve lahat. Talagang fully served yung gatas ko. So, nandito na ang Sister Sure milk na para sa mga buto-buto, kasu-kasuan. So, hope will be good at sana. So, here you go. Tanggalin natin ang bubble wrap. Gotcha. Okay. So, ito yung order ko at masubukan na ito mamaya. Ngayon na. Karapi. Okay, I think this is the ointment. So, ito yung free. Okay. Thank you and thank you so much. This is the Sure. I'm looking forward for the product. Thank you.